You're watching Mirror 7 News. Stay informed, stay ahead for more news.
Let me tell you something truly eye-opening that's happening in the forests of Uganda. Something that could reshape the way we think about virus transmission between animals and humans. You've probably heard of the Marburg virus, right? It's a close relative of Ebola, and one of the deadliest viruses known to science. But until now, we've only had theories on how it might move from wild animals into human populations. That's all starting to change, thanks to an extraordinary discovery by a 25-year-old Ugandan undergraduate, Vasco. Vasco wasn't working in some high-tech virology lab or under a major global health program. He was part of a small conservation team, setting up camera traps to monitor leopards in Queen Elizabeth National Park. He had a hunch, based on ecological instinct, that a large bat cave in the area might attract predators. And he was absolutely right. Over just a few months, Bosco's cameras recorded 261 separate predator encounters at Python Cave, including leopards, monkeys, crowned eagles, pythons, and even fish eagles. But what makes this groundbreaking is what they were all feeding on: Egyptian fruit bats. These bats are known reservoirs of the Marburg virus. Now picture this: predators feasting on virus-carrying bats, potentially getting exposed to the virus themselves, and then moving through ecosystems shared with other wildlife and even humans. That's not just theory anymore. That's footage. Real, observable interactions that bring the concept of zoonotic spillover, when a virus jumps between species, into sharp, undeniable focus. And it doesn't stop there. Vasco's team also captured video of over 400 tourists visiting the same cave, some walking within 2 meters of the entrance, with no protective gear, while the bats roosted just above them. That's chilling. It means the risk of human exposure isn't hypothetical, it's happening right now, in real time. Until this discovery, the primary known routes of Marburg spillover involved either direct contact with bat guano in caves or indirect contact through contaminated fruit. But this is a new and critical piece of the puzzle. A visual record of at least 14 species, wild and human, intersecting directly at the heart of a virus reservoir. It's like watching a live interface for disease transmission unfold before your eyes. The message here is loud and clear. The front lines of disease surveillance aren't always in high-tech labs. Sometimes, they're in the instincts of young, underfunded, but fiercely dedicated field scientists like Vasco. This is a wake-up call for global health systems. If we want to catch the next outbreak before it spreads, we need to support local scientists already living in and observing these fragile ecosystems. This discovery could be a Rosetta Stone moment in understanding how viruses like Marburg make the leap, not just across species, but into the human world. And it all started with a simple camera trap and a sharp ecological mind. Stay subscribed for more videos.